students, today we are going to start with new chapter of algebra, that is algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions. The letters used to represent numbers are called variables and the numbers themselves are termed as constants. For example, x, y, z are variables and 3, 5, minus 2 are called constants. Algebraic expressions are formed by combining variables and constants with the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. For example, 3x. The next example, 5x plus 4y. 5x square minus 4x minus 1. Root 3x plus root x cube. X plus 3 plus x square. These all are the examples of an algebraic expressions. Terms. A term is a variable, a constant or the product of variables and constant. For example, 3x square. We can write as 3 into x into x. Why? X is multiplied how many times? 2 times. 4xy, which can be written as 4 into x into y. 5y square, which can be written as 5 into y into y. 3 upon 2 a square b, which can be written as 3 upon 2 a into b, are all terms. The denominators of terms in algebraic expression can be constant as well as variables. For example, x upon 2, here 2 is constant. 3x square upon 4, again here 4 is constant. X upon y, here y is variable. 4 upon x, here x is variable. 3x square upon y square, here y square is variables, are all terms of an algebraic expressions. In algebraic expressions, the terms are connected together with operation of addition or subtraction. For example, in 3x square plus 4xy minus 5y square, here each term is connected with operation of addition as well as subtraction. 3x square, 4xy and minus 5y square are the terms. What is a coefficient? The numerical factor of a term is called coefficient. In this expression, 2x cube plus 4x square plus x, the coefficient of x cube is 2, the coefficient of x square is 4 and the coefficient of x is 1. Like terms and unlike terms. The terms which have the same variables with the same power are called like terms. For example, 7x minus 8x and 3x are like terms since they have the common variable x with power 1. Similarly, 20x square y and 5x square y are like terms as 20x square y here also is 5x square y. Variables are same and the power is also same, so they are called as like terms. 35xy and 3xy, again xy, the variables are same and the power is also same, are like terms. 4 and 8 are like terms. Terms which have different variables or powers are called unlike terms. The order of variable does not matter unless a variable in different terms have different powers. For example, 2x square y and 3xy are unlike terms, as here the power of 2 is x is 2 and here x is 1. So the power is different, so they are unlike terms. 4x and 3xy, here 4x, it does not have a y variable, so these terms are unlike terms. But 7yx and 5xy are like terms, as yx and xy are similar terms, but here the order may be different, but the variables are same, so they are called like terms. What is a polynomial? An algebraic expression is called a polynomial only when all the variables in every term of the expression are raised to a non-negative integer has power. Thus, x square plus 3xy plus y square plus 5 upon 7 x square y minus root 7xy is a polynomial as all the variables have positive integers as their power. Here the power is 2, here again it is 2, here again it is 2, here it is 2 and 1, that is 3, and here is 1 and 2. Let us consider the following examples. 7x square plus 4x upon y square minus 8 Is this a polynomial or no? We have to check it. Solution: it is not a polynomial because the power of y is negative in the term 4x upon y square. The term is 4x y raised to minus 2. The second, 7x cube minus 4 upon x minus plus 4x square minus 5. It is not a polynomial because the power of x is negative in the term 4 upon x. When x goes in numerator, the power becomes minus 1. The term is 4x raised to minus 1. So it is not a polynomial. The third, 4x square plus root 5x cube y. It is not a polynomial because the power of x and y are fractions in the term root 5x cube y. What is a monomial? An algebraic expression is called a monomial expression if there is only one term in the expression and there is only a non-negative integer exponent for any variable in the term. For example, 3xy, 43x square y, p square q cube y, x, 4, 3 upon 4 xy, root 5 x cube y are all monomials. But x upon y, 4 upon x square, 4ay upon x square are not monomials as they have negative integers as power for one of the variable because x upon y, here it can be written as x raised to power 1 and y raised to minus 5. Here the power is negative, so it is not a monomial. The second example, 4 upon x square. Here again the power of x is 2. When it goes in the numerator, the power becomes 4x raised to minus 2, which is again a negative. So it is not a monomial. The third example, 4ay upon x square. Again the term here it is negative power. So negative power x raised to minus 2, which is not a monomial. What is a binomial? An algebraic expression is called a binomial expression if it has only two terms in the expression and the exponent of the two terms are non-negative integers. For example, a plus b. The next example, bx square plus y. The next example, 3xy plus 4x square y. Here there are two terms, so it is a binomial. 3 upon 4xy plus 4ab. Root 6ab minus a square b y are all binomials. But 3a upon root b plus 3, ax upon y square plus 4ax, root x plus 1, etc. are not binomials. Trinomial, an algebraic expression that has three terms is called a trinomial, provided all of its terms have non-negative integers as exponent for any of the variables. Example, x square plus x plus 3. The next example, 4x square y plus 4x plus 7. The next example, a square plus 2ab plus b square are all trinomials. Solve the following. State which of the following expressions are polynomials. X square plus 7x plus 12. Here the power is positive, so hence it is a polynomial. X raised to 2 by 3 plus x cube. It is not a polynomial as x, the power of x is in the fraction term. 5. Yes, it is a polynomial. 3x square minus 1 upon y as the y, here it is in the denominator. When it is goes in the numerator, the power becomes minus 1. So it is not a polynomial. X square plus 2 upon root x plus 1. Here again it is in the fraction term, so it is not a polynomial. Solve the following. State which of the following expressions are monomials, binomial, trinomial, polynomial and not polynomial. Here we have given the expressions x square plus 7x plus 12, y cube, 4x minus y raised to minus 1, 7x square y raised to half minus 5xy, 5 upon x plus 3. Now we have to state which are polynomial, monomial, binomial, trinomial and not polynomial. Solution. Monomial, only one term, that is y cube. Binomial, only two terms. This is a three term. It is not. So here it is a binomial, but as the power is negative, so it is not a binomial. So none of this. Trinomial, x square plus 7x plus 12, as the power is positive and it has three terms, so we call it as trinomial. Polynomial, which is a polynomial? X square plus 7x plus 12 and y cube, as the power of the variables are positive, so we can say this as polynomial. Which are not polynomial? The C1, 4x minus y raised to minus 1, here the power is negative, so it is not a polynomial. In the D option, 7x square y raised to half minus 5xy, here y term has a fractional power, so it is not a polynomial. And 5 upon x plus 3, in the x, here it is a denominator. When it goes in the numerator, it becomes minus 1 the power. So again, it is not a polynomial. So students, I hope you all have understood the concept. So there is a small assignment based on it. Please try to solve it. Thank you.